A woman testified to a federal grand jury today claiming she was choked by a marshal at the Clark County Family Court. This comes after a months-long I-Team investigation into alleged family court abuses. So far, 2 people have lost their jobs. The I-Team's Nathan Baca shows us how the FBI is closing in on our local court system.
Well, when we exposed separate allegations of a woman that was sexually assaulted inside the family courthouse, it set off a series of petitions, firings, lawsuits, and national notoriety. Last month, we broke news that 3 family court marshals testified to the grand jury about a choking incident. Today, the woman who says a marshal choked her told her story for the second time. The first time Crystal Williams told her story was to the I-Team this May. Williams said marshals detained her for having a traffic warrant. She was handcuffed into a restraint chair, similar to this one right here. Marshals also put a spit guard on Williams, similar to this model. Even though the 110-pound woman was fully restrained, Marshals Lieutenant Steve Rushfield allegedly choked Williams, telling her, quote, "You're in my house now," end quote. Lieutenant Rushfield resigned his supervisor's position after our story aired. Now, Williams hopes her testimony to a federal grand jury will make a difference.
I feel good about getting justice and stuff. I feel good about the whole thing, letting it all out. Somebody who actually can hear what happened to me and get it all off of my chest instead of keep holding it in.
Within weeks, the federal grand jury is also expected to hear from Monica Contreras. She claims a family court marshal sexually assaulted her inside the courthouse. The I-Team revealed Contreras' claim was validated by an internal affairs investigation. That incident was allegedly covered up by former Marshals Lieutenant Steve Rushfield, the same marshal who was accused of choking Crystal Williams. Grand jury testimony is secret, but this case is causing turmoil at local courthouses. Sources close to the case are beginning to look into whether court administration was willing to act on these internal affairs investigations. One telling factor, Monica Contreras heard not from court administration that her case was deemed validated. She heard it from us 2 years after it happened.
Oh my. Thank you, Nathan.